Hello children, hope you all are well. Today we have met online after a very long time and we'll continue to meet online for some time. Today we are going to start with our first chapter of science, that is living and non-living things. Okay, before we start with the chapter, I would like you to take a pencil and book with you and note down the points. Pay attention during the whole session and lastly note down the homework in your book. Now, there are two different kinds of things in the world, living things and non-living things. Okay, what are living things? Things which are alive are called living things. For example, plants, birds, animals, human beings. These are the example of living things. Okay, now what are the characteristics of living things? Characteristics of living things. First is movement. Living things can move on their own from one place to another. They can move from one place to another by own. Second is growth. Living things grow up to a certain height. They grow up to a certain height. Third is reproduce. Living things can give birth to the new organism. They can give birth or reproduce a new organism. Right? Next is sensing the changes. Sensing the changes means they can feel things around them. They can feel things around them. The last one is taking breath. They breathe to release energy. So these are the characteristics of living things: movement, growth, reproduce, sensing the changes, taking breath are the characteristics of living things. Now, non-living things. Which are non-living things? Things which are non-alive are called non-living things. For example, book, pen, table, chair, fan are the example of non-living things. What are the characteristics of non-living things? First is they do not move by own. Second is they do not grow. Third is they do not reproduce. Fourth, they do not feel. And the last is they do not breathe. These are the characteristics of non-living things. I hope you must be clear with living things and non-living things. I would like you to note down the homework for today. Hard words. First is movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. Movement. Next word is reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. Next word is sensing. S-E-N-S-I-N-G. Sensing. Last word is breath. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breath. Now I would like to write the question answers for you. First is, what are living things? Answer is things which are alive are called living things. Next is, what are non-living things? Answer is things which are non-alive are called non-living things. Write hard words for 5 times and question answer for 2 times and learn. Thank you.